LED, surface mounted LED, SMD. This blue 0603. So this LED surface mounted. We're going to get one of these. This is SMD LED 0603. It is very small. So you can see here, it is just like a piece of small piece. We're going to test this. Using this tester in diode test. Diode test, this one, and so it is so it now turns on. It is 2.766 volts forward voltage. 2.766. And in here, the one with the green marker is the cathode. That is the one with the green marker, cathode. We now have this SMD LED 2.79 volts, but there is no current, so it means it consumes a small amount of current, maybe in microampere or milliampere. So using our adjustable supply, we could not see the ampere rating, but we can use a resistor to limit the current when we're going to use it in 5 volts. So I soldered it into the wire so that we can measure the current. We're going to use 0603 resistor, 470 ohms. So this is the resistor. We're going to get one of these. We now have the 470 ohms resistor 0603. As usual, it is very small. This is how it looks. Very, very small. Four 471 471, which is equal to 470 ohms. Four 471. We're now going to test the LED using 5 volts. So you can see here, using 5 volts, we are getting 9 milliamps of current, and then 45 milliwatt power. So this LED is in series with the resistor. So it has a resistor, that's why we can use 5 volts. This is the 0603 SMD LED. The green marker is the cathode. Then for the symbol, anode to cathode, anode to cathode. The cathode, that is the with green marker. And then the size is 0.06 inches by 0.03 inches. That's why it is called 0603 SMD LED, because of the size in inches. Then a power of 0.1 watt, and then forward voltage of 2.766. Okay, when we're using the adjustable power supply and with a series resistor of 470 ohms, we're now getting the value of the current that flows. The current here is 9 milliampere based on the adjustable power supply that we use. So conventional current flow from positive to negative. Then the 5 volts minus the 2.7 volts drop to the diode LED, and then the remaining voltage will be is to be absorbed or dissipated into the resistor 470, but the resistor we are using is the 471, but this is SMD, which is equivalent to 470 ohms, but the number is 471, the resistor used. So we can able to use 5 volts as long as there is a resistor in series with the LED to prevent the LED from burning. So we have this current flow.